In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure volume in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Tools tab up top, hover over Measure, and then in here, you can see it says Volume. So click on that, or of course, you could use the default keyboard shortcut, which is Shift plus Alt plus V. So click on that or tap on your keyboard, and then from over here, you want to select the area where you actually want to measure the volume. So for this, we're just going to do something very basic, but of course, you can do whatever you want. And for this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and basically use this conference room to 11 and basically just a rectangle. So what you have to do is first click at the first point where you want to start your measurement. So click on here, and then you can go ahead and start dragging out your line. Now, it's going to be basically a free line. You could go whatever, but if you have lines drawn like me, it's kind of going to notice, and you can go ahead and easily drag a basically straight line like this on your lines that are already drawn within your PDF or whatever you're using. Now, here, there's also one more trick. You could use the Shift key on your keyboard, and it's going to basically do a straight line, or if you kind of drag down, it's going to do a 45 degrees, and then 90, etc. Okay, so you can do that too if you want to, but if not, just basically don't hold the Shift key and you're good to go. Then go to the other corner, and click again, and then third one, and click again, and then of course you can do fourth one, and you can do as many as you wish. And then when you come to the very end, you can just click at the beginning here, and it's going to do the trick, or you could just hit the enter key, and it's basically going to do the trick as well. So over here right now, of course, as you can see, the volume is 0, but of course, if you do have some volume, and if you have a valid PDF where you actually want to measure something, you'll be able to do that in there using this tool, just like I showed you over here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.